The fire last summer started on a Sunday, Father's Day, and we actually were leaving to go to church that Sunday, and we saw a big plume of smoke over there in the Schultz Pass area. And I thought, wow, this looks like it might be kind of a big fire.
And it was a big fire. The Schultz Fire of 2010 burned more than 14,000 acres in Flagstaff. And for people who live nearby like Cindy Murray, trimming weeds to help prevent fires is something she takes very seriously.
We get some pretty tall wildflowers and weeds that grow all summer, and yes, we do always keep those mowed down.
Another way fire officials are working to make sure there is not another wildfire like the Schultz Fire is by doing prescribed burns.
The forest management work we're completing around here has a couple good benefits. One is it reduces fire risk, but it also helps restore forest health.
But as the state continues to battle budget issues, these prescribed burns are becoming a challenge for fire officials in the Flagstaff area.
Staffing, budget, and other funding issues really prohibit agencies like us and others to get out there and do the work that needs to be done.
The Flagstaff Fire Department is facing cutbacks that could decrease the amount of prescribed burns like the ones you see going on behind me. And this could have a major impact for residents in the area.
Yeah, that's pretty scary.
But the Flagstaff Fire Department is stretching its pennies, doing as many prescribed burns as it can in hopes that residents like Cindy won't have to live in fear of their backyard looking like this. In Flagstaff, Steve Doty, Cronkite News.